waiting to get my return. When do you think I'll make some money? I've been getting questions like this from readers who I didn't even think were into crypto, but it looks like Shiba is everywhere, and we're going to talk about what you need to know before you put your life savings on Shiba or any other dog coin out there. Yes, that guy put $8,000 into Shiba Inu and he's a millionaire and he's retired, but that was a big risk. And for you to take big risks, you have to do this. You have to save money. And as you can tell, I did not draw this as my writing is so poor. So you have to save money. So a lot of people that are getting into this space, they're telling me how they might take a loan out, or they don't have the money but they want to risk it. And I know that we love to romanticize these stories about people that took on big risks and they risked money they didn't have. The truth is, a lot of times people end up broke and nobody hears from them because, well, I mean, nobody wants to hear from the guy that went broke and has no money left. So before you worry about the next meme coin or dog coin or Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, save money. This should be your number one priority. Master the personal finance basics. Find ways to increase your income. So as you can tell by now, did I just spell increase wrong? You increase your income, so you're saving money, you're increasing your income so they have more money to invest. And when you have more money to invest, you have more money to play with. So that means you can take some risks. And then from there, I want you to only risk money that you can afford to lose. So, you know, like maybe that guy, let's just say 8,000 was his life savings. That's a huge risk. Because imagine you risked your life savings and you lost it. And I've shared this story in a previous video. I met a gentleman and he put some money down on a coin, the World of Whales coin. And he suggested it to me. It was an up and coming project, just like this one, you know. I mean, every project is up and coming, right? Until it goes up and comes. So then he put down $20,000 into it. I put down 200. The thing was a bust. There was a lot of rug pulls, a lot of scams in this space. He ended up losing his money. I lost my money too, but losing $200 compared to losing $20,000 is a big deal. So yes, it's fun to celebrate the wins, but remember, there's a lot of highlight reels. So before you do anything, save that money, increase your income to save more money. So that's the cycle, and then we move on to the next step. You get some money saved, you're working on your skills to increase your income because, you know, of course you can hope that a coin will go up 500%, but hope is not a game plan. So if you put some money down into increasing your skills, you can make more money, you got that money saved. And this leads to the third, but most important thing that I have to discuss before you go all in and you get all excited about that coin is FOMO, the fear of missing out. This doesn't just apply to social settings, it applies to investing. It especially applies to cryptocurrency. FOMO is real in this space. FOMO is dangerous. It can cost you your life savings. I mean, so once you get into crypto, you know, you're hearing about these coins, you're hearing about these success stories, and you're thinking, whoa, now it's my turn. I want my success story. I want to make it big. So then you get added to like a Telegram group, and people start adding you to different. I think Discord is another platform, or WhatsApp. People are adding you to groups. Long story short, and all these groups are telling you about new coins. And I promise you, there's so many coins. Go to CoinGecko.com. You'll see all these coins. FOMO kicks in. And you're like, what do I do? You start to panic. You're like, oh my God, there's so many good coins. So you put some money down, and then either you make some money or you lose some money, or you make some money but not that much money. Because no matter how much money you can make from a coin, there will be more money to be made. You might make 100%. You might double your money. I've seen people double their money in Ethereum, but then they're upset because they couldn't put that money into Shiba, which went up 1,000%. You know, some absurd gain like that. So watch out for FOMO, and I know it's easier said than done because there'll always be the fear of missing out on a great investment. So what I do is I pick some stable coins. I invest into Ethereum and Bitcoin, and I'll put a couple $100, like money that I can afford to lose, into these riskier coins. And then you just can't think about it. You know, like full disclosure, I have zero money in Shiba Inu. Actually, Wealthsimple emailed me. I use what's one of the platforms I use. It's not the best, but it's okay. Wealthsimple, so they emailed me to buy some Shiba. I tried. They actually sold out. The market crashed, or whatever, the platform crashed, and then they had to stop selling Shiba because it was so popular. So the fear of missing out got to me. I wanted to buy some, knowing full well that it could already be at the top. It could already be about to crash. I almost bought some. So the fear of missing out is real. It'll be easier said than done, but do your best to make your investment and don't think about it. You know, you're always gonna feel like you missed out on something. The final point that I have to stress before you put all that money into Shiba or Dogecoin, I forget how to say it, is to learn about crypto. Like, there's more to this space than just putting all your money onto some coin that you heard about on social media. And actually, at least, that's another point. If you're hearing a lot about a coin on social media, it might be too late. It might already be at the top. It might be about to crash or something. So try to learn about the space. Warren Buffett said that you should only invest in what you know. So obviously the limitation with that is if you don't know much, you'll never know what to invest in. So you should obviously try to learn more. So during lockdowns, I live in Canada, we were locked down for a while. I made it a point to learn about Bitcoin and Ethereum. And the way to do this is I listen to every podcast possible. And, obviously this information is changing so quickly. So I was trying to listen to whatever I could find about Bitcoin, Ethereum, the uses of it, the purpose of it. I was trying to learn more about the whole market. I was reading articles, watching YouTube videos. I really wanted to get into the space. And then I finally, after all this research, months and months of research, talking to people, going for long walks or long phone calls, I got enough information to where I felt comfortable. And I get it, you might not have all that time. You might just want to invest some money. Try to at least learn a little bit, know what's going on with Bitcoin. There's too much for me to discuss in this video, but Ethereum, there's so much happening on the Ethereum network, on the blockchain technology. Learn about it. Don't risk your life savings on a coin that you don't understand. Thanks for watching, and good luck with crypto.